So I got my bearings in yesterday, some seal bearings. They have an outer lip on them so they can actually cup the hub. The cups in the hub actually snapped. There was no way I was going to put ball bearings back in it. So I ended up just using a socket and some extensions and knocked them out of there. They do come out, they're very tight, but they'll come out. The bearing actually fit pretty close, so I ended up just making some shims, and then I pressed it in with my bearing press, and they went in super tight. The axle's a little bit long. You can see I made some shims. Just for right now, I'm gonna end up ordering a smaller axle, or a shorter one. It is a 12 mil axle. I did go down to Tractor Supply. They had these brass fittings. They actually fit perfect up against the bearing. And I've already put 12 miles on this thing, and so far I haven't had anything come loose, or the rim's still nice and tight. It seems to be working, so I'm gonna keep running it and see how long it lasts, and I guess, and hopefully it just works and don't have any other issues. But I'm still running that Stormforce engine. I want to put a Ghost engine on it, but I've yet to break this motor, and I just don't see the point of swapping it out yet until I actually break this one. I've ran this motor up to 6,000 RPMs multiple times, and I thought it was gonna give around there, because I've broken 212s at 6,000 RPMs, and so far this one hasn't. I haven't done the front yet, bearings. I'm gonna leave them alone until I figure out how good this back wheel is gonna work. I rode it today. I do need to hook up the rear brakes. I still gotta hook that up. I gotta order some hydraulic line so I can cut a new piece for the back there. But yeah, it works really well. Seems to ride really smooth. I guess take it out for a ride and show you guys how it rides.